In this video, we'll demonstrate how to embed a link in Notion. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to embed a link in Notion, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's get into the steps. Open the web page or link that you want to embed in Notion. For instance, let's say you have a page open in your browser that you'd like to link to. Copy the URL of the page from your browser's address bar. Switch to your Notion workspace or the page where you want to insert the link. Paste the copied link directly into the Notion page. As soon as you paste it, Notion will prompt you to create an embed. Click on Create Embed, and it will automatically embed the site or page into your Notion workspace. You can resize the embedded link within Notion to your preferred dimensions by dragging the corners. Alternatively, type /embed in Notion to create an embed block. Select Embeds from the options provided. Paste the link into the block and click on Embed Link. This method allows you to embed various types of content, not just links, including PDFs, Google Maps, tweets, and more. Using embedding, you can efficiently integrate various types of content into your Notion workspace, which can be incredibly useful for business purposes, showcasing locations through Google Maps, and much more. If you found this tutorial helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to Media Magnet Guide for more informative content. Thank you for watching. For additional tutorials and information, visit MediaMagnetGuide.com.